So here's one of those Airbnb analyzer apps. If you want to try it out, give a try to AIRDNA.co. What this website does is just basically you can enter your postcode in the United States, and then you can just get some sample property, some idea of the property you can list on Airbnb as a host, for example. And then you can just kind of get some very rough estimations of all your rental revenue, like operating expenses, what could be the purchase price, like what is net operating income, what is cap rate, and all of these things. So for example, this is just like a really cool property in Santa Monica in California. You can see that the annual revenue from the renting can be like $80,000, for example, and average daily rate can be $340. So for example, if you want to list a bungalow like this, it's not like a super huge home, but it's still a really nice place. So yeah, like if you want to list it out for the rent, it will be, like for example, $3,000 or $300 per day, $340, and then you can just there is like occupancy rates. It's like how many days of the year someone would rent it, for example. And then like you just get like this 64%, and then you would get, for example, just on average you would make like 80K per year from this property. But then also there are also all the operating expenses, which can be like 36,000, and then therefore you can make something like 43,000 net operating income. This is just like to get you an idea of different postcodes, different types of properties, like if you're considering to buy it, but then if you're also considering to rent it out, like what you should take into account. I'm not an Airbnb host myself, but I can imagine for some people it's like a huge business, so it can be quite interesting app. Then there are some estimates here. Then you can see some other properties, like Venice Beach, apartment, 2 beds, 1 bath, 5 guests. You can see that $40,000 revenue potential, average daily rate $135. Or you can see some like houses, or some bigger places. So yeah, that's basically the idea of it. So that's basically what it is. So there are probably also other Airbnb analyzer apps, so you can definitely check them out. If you have known any other ones, just leave them in the comments.